Many people want to know if installing wheel spacers will negatively impact the car's incredible handling and ride quality. The good news is that installing properly fitted, high-quality wheel spacers on your vehicle will improve the handling, ride comfort, or performance. That's why wheel spacers don't cause issues, as long as the wheel spacers matches your car bolt pattern and hub bolt. It will be positioned the wheels precisely where they need to be without disrupting alignment. Reputable wheel spacer manufacturers pay close attention to these specifications. Improperly installed spacers can throw off your wheel balance, leading to vibration in the steering wheel and chassis. Hub-centric quality wheel spacers can maintain proper balance. Installed hub-centric wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it flush against the mounting plate. These wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing the minimum change of vibration. BONOSS wheel spacers have a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Besides, the benefit of the plus design of BONOSS Forged lightweight plus wheel spacers mean that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption, and improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous general product, the weight is reduced by 20%. Overall, high-quality wheel spacers properly installed have a little effect on ride quality for most daily driving. As always, quality wheel spacers will enhance ride quality.
If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment, give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.